Go back out there now.
Can I open the door? Jack, hey. Oh my god. Jack, relax, man.
Come on. Don't not on the sidewalk. Tankers, what are you doing? Keep going, babe. Keep going. Oh, Jack! Jack! Go! Jack! Go, Jack! Yeah.
I was like, Dan's like, yeah, maybe the front coffee. I'm like, yeah, like, take my time, get ready. I'll leave my bag at my desk. I'm just gonna walk around.
Oh, he wants back up in the movies. Oh, the precious movies.
Get it, Chester.
Get it, Chester. Good boy.
Isley. He's doing under there.
It up instead of pouring an ice bucket over your head. If you do know what it is, you should pour an ice bucket over your head and still give money to donate.
Why are you sitting like that? You can't sit like that. You're not human. It makes you look funny.
Okay, do you know where the... Oh, there he is. Oh my god. He's right over me, Lynn. Can I have pizza? Oh my god.
Yes, he do something now.
Eddie, that's sick.
Oh, that's so wimpy. Come on, give it all you got. Go! Yeah.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to sneeze.
Oh, it's so tiny.
You burned anything past you good?
We did that one.
Meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Maxwell, where are you? Maxwell! There you are. Good shot, Max. That's a good one.
He looks genuinely shocked.
I was absolutely positive. Bravachow believed Lister's account of the murder.
First Dairy Queen. Tyler have some. Breezy. Oh, is that nummies?